In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist for beginners. Whether you're embarking on a new productivity journey or just curious about organizing your daily life more effectively, this guide will take you through the simple steps to set up and use Todoist like a pro. We'll focus on setting up your account and getting you comfortable with the basic functionalities of this powerful tool. Let's start with accessing your Todoist account. If you're already a user, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. You can sign up for free by heading over to the Todoist website and clicking on the Start for Free button. It's a straightforward process and you can choose to sign up using Google, Facebook, Apple ID, or just your email. Once you've set up your basic account info, you'll be asked to create a profile. Enter your name and if you like, upload a profile photo to personalize your account. You'll then have the option to use Todoist with a team. If you plan to collaborate, toggle the switch on. After that, click on continue and you'll be prompted to select how you plan to use Todoist, from personal tasks to team projects. Pick all that apply for you. Once you're through, click launch Todoist and you'll be redirected to your dashboard where the real fun begins. From here, let's dive into creating your first project. On the sidebar next to My Projects, click the plus icon. You can give your project a name, select a color to keep it visually organized, and choose whether you'd like to view it as a list, board, or calendar. Features that are particularly useful if you're a pro or business user. Next, let's add some tasks to your project. In your new projects view, select add task and type in your task's name. Don't forget to add the due date while typing the task, which helps in keeping track of when things need to get done. Once your task is in place, you can split larger tasks into more manageable subtasks. Simply select the main task, click add subtask, and input your subtask's name and due date. Use the arrow next to your task to show or hide these subtasks as needed. Organizing tasks into sections can further streamline your workflow. Just hover below your list of tasks and select Add Section to start grouping tasks logically. If you're unsure of which project to place a task in, simply add it to your inbox. You can find your inbox at the top of the sidebar. From there, tasks can be easily moved to the right project later on. Todoist also offers great views for today and upcoming tasks, helping you keep tabs on what's immediately around the corner. And as you complete tasks, simply tick the circle next to them to check them off your list. To look back at everything you've accomplished, click the three dots icon at the top of your project and select completed tasks. And there you have it, a quick yet detailed rundown on how to set up and use Todoist effectively. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy organizing.